Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel. Now we have some new airdrop, new alphas, new crypto airdrop, and you might need to position for this. This Zetarium is ending in less than 40 days. I shared this on my Telegram channel, and here is a video on how to position for Zetarium airdrop, as well as this on-chain this base airdrop. The base network, they are having their airdrop and you have to participate. So for the base airdrop, they've not mentioned when they are going to take the snapshots or any listing. But for Zetarium, they've mentioned that we are farming for just 42 days, and today is the third or fourth day, I guess. So you have less than 40 days to position for this. So this one, we already know when we are starting and when we already know when we started and when it's ending. So you are still very much early on these two. I'll be dropping the registration links in the description box of this video. Check the description box of this video, and in the pin post in the comment section. Check the comment section pin post for their registration links. So to participate on the Zetarium, this is the page. So once you click on the link, you have this page, this one. So what you need to do next is connect your EVM wallet. I connected MetaMask wallet here. Then the next thing is to click on this airdrop page. You see airdrop. So once you click on the airdrop page, you have this one. So on the airdrop page, you can scroll down like this. You see claim GM 20 plus 20. So you claim the good morning reward every 24 hours. This is like checking in every 24 hours. You see, straight days, 2 days. I just get started on this. So as soon as you are seeing this video, position for this Zetarium and base airdrop. So now I've claimed this good morning stake. Here you connect your X account so that you'll be able to perform the social tax. So here you click on connect X, then you connect your X account. This loading tax has been loading. It has not showed me the social tax to perform. So you see loading tax details. So there's supposed to be a social tax here to be able to earn such social tax reward, which is why you are connecting your Twitter accounts in the first place. So you see username tax. Add keyword to your Twitter name to earn points. So the keyword, I don't know if this is the keyword or I don't even know the keyword. But since this one is not loading completely, I'm unable to see what the keyword is actually all about. So in case you have position for this Zetarium and you know what the keyword is, you can drop it in the comment section. Let us know the keyword so that some of us can add it to our X account to earn this 100 points. We have limited time to farm this Zetarium airdrop, so we might need to do everything needed to be able to get the reward. So if you already have the keyword for this one I'm showing now, then you need to comment and tell us the keyword, and some of us need to add it, like yeah, that's it. So that's for the for the X task. Now for the on-chain tax, you can say on-chain points. This is what I've earned for on-chain points. For the on-chain points, you have to come to the prediction tab. This is prediction. So once you click on this prediction, it will bring you to this page. This is the prediction. So you are seeing the prediction markets. So what you need to do next is to click on this faucet and claim 1000 USDC tokens. 1000 USDC tokens. So it's a test net meant to your faucets. You should already know it's a test net. You see, successfully claim 1000 USDC. Then next is to come to this markets below the page here. On the market tab, you can use your mobile device to actually do this one. It's straightforward. You can connect the link to your Mrs. browser or Brave browser. Those are wallet extension. Or you connect to your DApp browser, your wallet DApp browser. So now we have some predictions there. They said, will BTC hit 90,000 US dollars by January 8th? It's just for you to make any prediction. Today is January 8th. Yep, and BTC. I think I did this one yesterday. So to enter this, I just click on max here. They will be the ones to allocate the amounts you can use to enter. So you don't just type any amount. I think they have a pool, like how much you have to stake. So that's why I had to enter max. So I had to click on the max to be able to get the amount. So now I've participated in one prediction. So I can now still go back to markets. Then another one. Okay, this one is the same thing. We beat this Bitcoin reach $100,000 before 14th of January. Okay, I'm not sure. I'll just click on no, then select max, and scroll down and buy no. Then I'll confirm the transaction in my wallet. Remember, this is testnet, so everything you are using here is faucet. You are not using real funds for this one. You are not using real funds. So the BNB gas is given automatically once you connect your wallet, and the 1000 USDC token is also being claimed, like I showed earlier. So I can go back to the market again to participate in as many predictions as I can to earn points. So this is basically how you earn the points for Zetarium. And remember, we have limited days to farm this airdrop, like 38 days remaining. So this one, they said, will ETH reach no, I'm not sure. So I'll click on no. So this is what you do for this airdrop basically. So I'll click on confirm and scroll up again to click on okay. I still have confirmation. So that's it. So I'll go back again. You just have to participate in as many predictions as you can. You can see we have a lot of them up to page, you see. I'm seeing up to page 3. With Zetarium list immediately after 41 days. Yep. They did not say they will be listing immediately. They just said we are farming airdrop for 41 days. And this is the 4 or the 3 thereabouts. So I don't know if they will list immediately or not. Or maybe after some days, after the airdrop ends, then some days they will list. That's why I chose no. So basically, I've just explained how to position for this Zetarium. It's as simple as that, nothing more, nothing less. So now let's move to the next one, which is the Base Airdrop. You remember, this is Base Network Airdrop. They are just like MetaMask Airdrop. This is Base Network Airdrop. And to position for this Base Network Airdrop, you need some Base ETH on your MetaMask wallet. So first thing first, click on the link and connect wallet. I will select MetaMask. So I had to do the video on how to participate in these 2 airdrops so we can use one stone to kill 2 birds. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Share this with your downline. Like, share, and subscribe, so you can position early. So now you do daily tasks here. So basically, you need Base ETH to get started on this Base Airdrop. And if you perform the tasks, you will get a raffle draw to this $30 giveaway every day. They do this $30 giveaway every day. You can see time left. That's for the giveaway every day. So what you need to do here is to you see contract deployed, meet NFT, swap token, bridge assets. Those are the tags. Good morning base, token contracts, and that's it. So if I click on this deploy contract, and I'll click on confirm, you see what they are charging as gas fee, 10 cents thereabout. Network fee, you send is with Ethereum network, base Ethereum. Why is MetaMask showing review? Oh, you don't have enough ETH. Are they high? I was wondering what's going on. So that was a glitch from MetaMask. So you see what they are charging base Ethereum. Like I will use 10 cents to convert to confirm this particular transaction. So you need to just get base Ethereum, like Ethereum on base network. That's what I mean by base Ethereum. Go to any exchange like Binance, Bybit, Get.io, and buy Ethereum, then withdraw via base network. That's how to get base Ethereum. You buy Ethereum using your USDT on any of these exchange I've mentioned, then withdraw via base network. When withdrawing, select base network and withdraw to your wallet that you want to connect to this to this website. So that's how to get base Ethereum. So I think they have daily streak. Let me see where I'm supposed to. I claimed this daily streak yesterday. Okay, yeah. The moment you do any you participate in any of these tasks here, your streak add up. So you see, then now click on Mint NFT. Let's see how much they are charging you. Still 10 cents. Meaning that with $5, you can do as many tasks as you can, at least reasonably, to participate in this airdrop. Just buy like $5 to $10 and withdraw it to your wallet. Buy Ethereum and withdraw on base network. Send to your wallet and do this tax. With $5 to $10, you can do. Okay, this swapping. For this swapping, you will need other tokens to be able to do this one. It's not even loading. Let me wait. And for the bridge too, you have to bridge from base to another network. From here, they said Sonium gas. So I need to get Sonium. You are low on Sonium gas. By continuing, you need to get enough gas to complete this transaction. So I need Sonium gas to complete this transaction if you are doing the bridging. So to get this Sonium, buy ETH on any exchanges, on any of the exchange I've mentioned earlier, then withdraw on Sonium network. The same way you buy ETH on any exchange and withdraw via base, you still buy ETH and withdraw via Sonium network. That's how to get the Sonium gas. So you send it to your OKX wallet or MetaMask wallet. Immediately you send, just copy your Ethereum address. It's always the same address. Then withdraw ETH on Sonium network and send it to the wallet. If I were you, I'll just do for $5 or $10 for it for base Ethereum and this Sonium Ethereum and send it to my wallet. So with $20 or $10, depending, that means I'm good. Then I can come here to bridge. So what I need to do is to go buy the Sonium gas, the Sonium ETH, send to my wallet and complete this bridging. So if you are completing the bridging, once you have the Sonium ETH, you can select 25% and click on bridge. So you keep doing that every day. That's how to complete the bridge process. So for this swap too, you have to swap from base. If I want to swap, the swap has been saying something went wrong. Let me increase it. Okay, the swap is keep saying something went wrong. I don't know what went wrong with them, but that's how to complete the bridge actually. So token contract, let me deploy this one. So it's just a click of button actually. It's not as if you are doing any tax like that, but it requires you to have some funds. So I've done that. So GN on base, send good morning like that. So you can choose which tax you want to do and which tax you don't want to do actually. But if I were you, I would do the bridging and the deploying task. Or this one that has deploy something. And that's it. So basically, this is how to perform the base tax, the base airdrop tax. You know, this is base network, and hopefully we get to get some USDT or Lambo from it. So I have moved to level 2 because I've done different tasks, and you can see the interactions. So that's how you position for this base airdrop and also this Zetarium airdrop. So guys, this is the update on the new airdrop I have for you guys. Stay tuned for subsequent updates. We're still going to position for airdrop like ARC. So I will be sharing a video subsequently on how to position for ARC. The task is kind of, so I've been lazy to to do the task and make the video, but I'll try and do the task so that I can make the video. So we have more airdrop like ARC, Tempo to perform. Stay tuned on this channel. Like and share this video. Subscribe, share with your downlines, and position. Also join my Telegram community. Check the link in the description box of this video or in the pin post in the comment section. The links to register for this Zetarium and Base airdrop is attached to the description box of this video. Sign up and be active. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.